Hi guys, today we are making a scratch tutorial. So today we are uh, we are teaching how to make your sprite move in sorry with arrow keys. Okay, today we are teaching how to make your sprite move with the arrow keys or any other key you like. So if you want to use forever loops, we'll show that also. And if you want to use these when space key pressed, it's not that good. You can't go diagonally with these. So I like to go with the forever loop one. Here is it. This is the forever loop. It's in controls. Now take an if then statement. Then duplicate it 4 times and put it under and under. Then here then we put it here. Then go to sensing and take this here, key space pressed right now. You can change that space. So here you can duplicate this also. And we can put these here. So here we have our if statements and forever loop. Now which arrow do you want, or whichever key you want, like WASD. Now we are making it go up. Now WASD one, click on W. But we are doing arrow keys, so up arrow. Then we'll do right arrow. Then left arrow. Then down arrow. Now here we have these. So now go to motion. Since here we'll do the motion block, since it's called motion after all. And we take this, change X by 2 times, 2 times here, and Y by 2 times. Now put this right here. You can change this to how fast your sprite will move. I will like 10 since it's a bit smooth. And here it should not be 10, it should be minus 10 since we are going down after all. Then this is left arrow, so here is Y by minus 10. This is left arrow. Look, you can move up and down now, but if we do left arrow it goes wrong way, so we change this to minus 10. And here we change X by 10. So now we can move diagonally with the forever loop technique, but not with the these event technique. So now to make it a bit nicer, we'll say to go to X0, Y0 while you start. So it goes to the middle when you start. Even if it is here, middle. So it's like that. And we can even make a platformer, but that would be in another video. So this will say forever loop technique. But you can name it whatever you want since it's your game. Since this is a tutorial, we'll say this is the forever loop technique. And even you can change your sprite by going to costumes here right now. And I do not want this sprite. Plus I want an other costume. So let's go to the library. Which one would I like? What is cute? Nothing's cute here. I just select this apple since it's a bit cute. Or else I'd select this one. Then I'd select the up arrow. Or else the other ones. And here. So now we have these costumes. Delete the first costume. Now if you want to say which direction you're moving with these costumes, right? So this is right. So let's say right movement. You can name your sprite whatever you want. Some people don't matter about it. But if you don't remember which way is this, so you can write this. But you can remove the movement. Just for you to understand, we are putting the movement. This is down. You can write down, but we are adding movement. And then this is up. So you can write just up also. Or any sprite. You can write just right, just left, just down, just up also. Okay, now we go here. Go to looks, since this is how your sprite looks right now, right? Now switch costume to up movement right here. Also we can, let's make a first sprite. So let's copy this. Then we can make a new costume with paint here. Let's paste this. And we can take the eraser right here. Okay, this could be our first sprite. When we there. Now, okay. Here is our sprite when we do not move, like, or do not move anything. You can say do not move, or for the start you can do, but let's say do not move. So here we can switch costume, but wait. Let's say this is the key release one. If you remember what sprite it is, do not write this. If you want to write it, even if you know, it's okay. Now here we can say left movement. Go to the left arrow key. Oops, I press right arrow key. Right movement. Then for right arrow. And down movement. For down arrow. So now we can also put the key released one here at the start here. Then yeah, but if you go diagonal there's no sprites, so yeah, we can't fix that. So we can only have sprites for these, not diagonal. Plus when you're down, it's funny to see that. Okay. Now we want to make this sprite when the key is released. So we can just copy all of these, paste it right here. Then remove these. Remove these as well. Okay, now we can take a not statement, put this right here. But first we can duplicate it. We should actually. We put a not statement in a not statement. Okay, now we put this back here. Then take this, put this back, or else it won't work. It will replace the key down things. Now here we have it. So we can go to looks, and we have the key released already. So let's duplicate it. Duplicate. Duplicate. Yeah. Now we can put this underneath. Also. Okay. So not underneath. Here. Sorry, I forgot about that. But it does not work. Okay, now let's try it. Good. But if it does not work. We can remove this. Who needs that now? It doesn't work, so let's just leave it for now like this. Okay, now we'll do the event technique. Okay. Okay. Now we can choose a sprite. Let's choose. Now you will get all these sprites with this. The cat to the oldest cat, which was bitmap in the olden times. Who would use this? Some people might. Coded, love it. Hashtag sweet. That's my hard candy. I never saw that. Hedgehog. Why not a hedgehog? So hedgehog. Aww, this is so cute. And this is so cute. But we will not need this. Right now we'll only need this. Let's make it bitmap for a nicer experience. I like bitmap a bit. So let's make it bitmap since I love pixelated things. Okay, now we have a bitmapped hedgehog. So let's move it to XY0 itself. So where is XY0? We can click here, put this X is 0 and there. But this can go a bit downer, so let's make it that it's 8. Okay, now it's nice. Okay, that's nice. Now make it to the mid so that it looks nice. Nice. Now we can take this, go here, events, take the space key 4 times. Then we can choose the keys. Even you can choose WASD here. Not just you can choose the arrow keys. So right here I am choosing arrow keys. So right here we do the same thing. But since we do not have other sprites, we just do the motion of it. So duplicate here. Then I can duplicate this one. Okay, now we will put them here and then here. So now we can change this to -10 and this to -10 also. Here 10 10. Okay, that's good. Now but they work together. So yeah, I should say WASD. So it would be a fun, nice two-player. Like it would be two-player if you did like me. Okay, now S. Oops, I'm silly here. So it should be D here, and here it should be W. Okay, now let's see. This one moves itself. This doesn't overlap. Okay, but okay, this one it moves like 10 pixels, but this one it moves more than 10 pixels when you just press. But the right and left movement for this might be better, this hedgehog sprite. So we can select this and copy it. Then we can paint here, put it right down. Nice. Now we can take this on, flip it horizontal. Okay. Now we can also take like this, but we don't like that. This is flip horizontal. Let's say this is left movement. Sprite. You can name your sprites same, but since only for these two, let me just do this. It's nice. Right movement sprite. Okay, now we have right movement sprite. So yeah, here we can do the same as we did here. Change the costume to the costume we want. Only for these two keys, by the way. Now we can go to looks and take the right movement sprite, put it to D key and this one again, and change this to left movement sprite. Now it looks nice. Oh no, it's the wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Why did I do that wrong? I named them wrong. Okay. Okay. Now let's do. Okay. Now let's say this is the right movement sprite. Sprite. This is the. Oh, I would have done that. Okay, now we can try it. Why? Okay, now we should change this to right. Why did I even forget that? Okay, here's sprite. Right movement sprite 2. I do not like numbers in the sprites. Finally, it's good. The result came out well. Now we are 2 players. Now we can also do some collision, but that will be in another episode. Continuing this project. So now we can say this to overlap the hedger. So how to do that? We say here in the looks, go to front, go forward or go to front layer. Go forward 99 layers, just 99. Okay, now it overlaps the hedge. That's it. And now here to show you that we don't move this way, I'm pressing both these keys, W and D. You can see that, like right here, these two, see that the yellow band comes around them. I'm pressing A and W. So see these two? Yeah, I'm pressing both. Now we should do this many times, S and D many times to do it. It's like that. So here you go. This is the event technique. So here you go. This is the tutorial on how to make your sprite movement. Move with arrow keys, or else we can also say or any other key. So if you want to help other scratchers, you can copy, you can remix this, or you can follow the tutorial, or you can share the tutorial, follow the tutorial and make a project to help others. So just this is an tutorial. So bye guys, see you next time. Bye.